Hey everybody, my name is Drew. Welcome to my channel, and I want to welcome all my returning subscribers. Appreciate you supporting my channel, and if you're new, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year, so hopefully things are off to a great start for you. I'm going to try to build a few more models this year than what I did last year, and one of the models I want to build is this kit here. This is the Fujimi 1/72nd scale E-2C Hawkeye. Bob Busking gifted this to me, and Bob, thank you so much. If you haven't checked out Bob's channel, you need to, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description. He's a great model builder, a good guy, builds in a variety of genres, so I appreciate that. But I'm excited about this because, number one, I have never built a Fujimi kit, and although this kit was tooled in 1970, I've seen pictures of it that it builds up into a nice model, and I've never looked at a Fujimi kit ever. So as you can see, I have not opened it. So we're going to open it here on camera and take a look at the plastic and yeah, see what we got. It's a beautiful box art. So let me switch the camera around and we'll take a look and see what's in the box. Like I said earlier, it's just beautiful box art. Look at that. This is gorgeous. And this is it's from the USS Independence. VAW 115 Liberty Bells. And it's Fujimi kit 31013. Some information on the box. So it doesn't have any pictures of the built-up model on the box. So let's take a look here. Clear parts. Another sprue. There's the wings. Oh, nice. It's all one piece. And landing gear. Here is the big radome thing. And decals. So, and instructions. So, let's take a look at the plastic first. So let me get these open. Okay, so I got everything out of the plastic. So here's our first sprue that I grabbed. This is the radar assembly. You can get a good look at that. And it is raised panel lines, but they're very fine and doesn't look bad at all. So that's that one. Next one I grab are some stabilizers. Some nice rivet detail in that. Here's also part of the rear horizontal stabilizer. There's the wing assembly, and get two pieces like that. Put it together. So again, nice rivet detail on this, guys. Cool. Here is here are the fuselage halves. It's like you get a little bit of combination of some engraved panels and some raised panels. And not much on the interior side. So at this scale, you're really not going to see inside of it, so I'm not too worried about that. These are the engine nacelles. The landing gear, spinners for the props. props. Look really nice. Some bulkheads and the floor for the cockpit, which doesn't look, there's not a lot there, but again, you're not going to see it. It looks like you also get 2 crew figures. That's kind of cool. There you go. A little bit of flash on those guys, but that's kind of neat. They're twins, same pose. And you got your wheels and tires, all one assembly. Some pin marks on the tires there, but we can fix that. And here's I'm just going to leave these in the little bag. This is the landing gear parts. And here we have our clear parts. Pretty well defined outlines, and it comes in 2 pieces, so you got to glue the halves together. So hopefully that is a natural seam that goes down the middle, and it's probably going to be painted, so hopefully that will be the case. There's that one. There's the decals. This particular boxing is from 1993, according to Scalemates. And again, this has never been opened, and so I think they should probably be okay. I really don't see, well, there's a tad bit of yellowing right around. You can barely see it, but I think they'll be pretty good. So, and here's our instructions. And so, start off with the usual stuff. Cockpit has fuselage, wings on, props on, landing gear, rear stabilizers, engines there. Okay, so pretty straightforward build. It's only 6 steps. And here is the marking. This is for the VAW 113 Black Eagles, and also VAW 111 Liberty Bells. So give me 2. I think this is going to be overall gull gray. I don't think there's a division between the bottom and the top like you see on a lot of Navy planes. Sometimes they have white on the bottom and gull gray on top, but I don't see anything to indicate that here. So anyway, this should be a fun build. A lot of parts. Like I said, I saw some pictures of other modelers who posted some completed pictures of this on Scalemates, and it built up really nice. So there we go. So I want to thank Bob for sending this to me. I've always wanted to build a Hawkeye. They're really cool planes, and there it is. But again, check out Bob's channel. I'll put a link down in the description. Go check his channel out. Appreciate it. I know he would. So there we go. So this is going to be another kit that I'm going to get going on before too long. I do have a couple that I'm working on to finish up. But if you're new to my channel, again, appreciate a subscribe and do a thumbs up and follow along. That way you can follow along for the next videos that I present. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. And appreciate your support. Check out some of the other videos that are popping up on your screen in the corners, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everybody, and again, Happy New Year.